Affirmations to build your self-worth and confidence? Well, you're in luck because today I've got a whole list of them for you, and that's what we're going to talk about. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I've got some of my tried and true affirmations that I'm going to share with you on how to, they're affirmations for self-worth and love. Now, I love these because anytime we change something in our lives and we go outside of our comfort zone to reach a goal, it's perfectly normal to feel a little bit unconfident and to be unsure. It's uncharted waters. It's perfectly normal. So I'm going to share with you my tried and true affirmations for confidence, self-love, and self-worth. Now, please note when you are actually saying these affirmations, so I'm going to say them once, I'm going to say them twice, and then the second time you can say them as well, so we can do this together. Now, if any of these feel like a lie to you, because I've put a lot of I am statements in here now, if any affirmation ever feels like a lie, pro tip to get around that is to say, I intend. Okay, so if the affirmation is, I love myself, if you have difficulty saying that, or when you say it, it feels like a lie, just add, I intend to love myself. Say it with the I intend in front. It really bypasses that it's a lie voice back there, right? And note, if you do have trouble saying any of these and it is difficult for you, then definitely say that one more than once, write it out, something, because there's probably some kind of block there or something going on. So it's a good thing if you have trouble saying it, because you know at least that you need to work on that. So let's get started. The first one is, I deserve a good life. I deny any need for suffering and misery. I deserve a good life. I deny any need for misery and suffering. I am confident, smart, and able. I am confident, smart, and able. I am growing and changing for the better. I am growing and changing for the better. I have great ideas. I have great ideas. I make useful contributions. I make useful contributions. I believe in my own skills and abilities. I believe in my own skills and abilities. I acknowledge my own self-worth. My confidence is rising. I acknowledge my own self-worth. My confidence is rising. I am worthy of all the good things that happen in my life. I am worthy of all the good things that happen in my life. I am confident with my life plan and the way things are going. I am confident with my life plan and the way things are going. I deserve the love I am given. I deserve the love I am given. I let go of the negative feelings about myself and accept all that is good. I let go of the negative feelings about myself and accept all that is good. Let's do that one again. It's so good. I let go of the negative feelings about myself and accept all that is good. I will stand by my decisions. They are sound and reasonable. I will stand by my decisions. They are sound and reasonable. I can have or quickly get all the knowledge I need to succeed. I have or I can get quickly all the knowledge I need to succeed. I surround myself with positive people who appreciate me. I surround myself with positive people who appreciate me. I am good at everything I do. I am good at everything I do. I am calm and peaceful. I feel satisfied with what I have in my life. I feel satisfied with what I have in my life. I intend to have positive thoughts about everything and everyone in my life. I intend to have positive thoughts about everything and everyone in my life. I am okay with who I am. I am okay with who I am. I can be, do, and have anything I want. I can be, do, and have anything I want. And my favorite is, I am the possibility of inspiration, confidence, and love. I am the possibility of inspiration, confidence, and love. So yes, enjoy. Listen to them over and over again. Say them over and over again. Write them down, create your own, have fun with it. So those are my affirmations. Oh my goodness, I feel really good. I'm going to do more of these videos. I feel amazing. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for subscribing. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, each one of them designed for you to create something wonderful in your life and to feel good. And yeah, please share, like, comment some of your favorite affirmations down below. Anyways, you guys have a great week. Love you all. Create something wonderful in your life. You really do deserve it.